Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Sanjay Kumar Thakur. I am Assistant Professor posted in the Department of Orthopedic Surgery at Dr. Radhakrishnan Government Medical College, Hamirpur. Now I am going to talk about arthritis in this arthritis week. So, what is arthritis? Arthritis is a chronic disorder which affect the joints. It may involve a single joint, it may involve multiple joints. So it is a chronic disorder with progressive loss of function of the joint followed by pain, stiffness and deterioration of the alignment of the joint. So most common type of arthritis is osteoarthritis. It involves mainly the synovial joint of the body. It may involve the various parts, various joints in the body, like it most commonly involves the knee joints. It also involves the hip joint, shoulder joints, elbow joint, and may involve the carpometacarpal joint or tarsometatarsal joints. So what is arthritis? Basically, what happens because of prolonged aging or due to wear and tear, there is cartilage of the joint get disintegrated, leading to the friction, increase in pain and stiffness, and followed by loss of movement of the particular joint. The pathology is that initially there is a cartilage destruction, followed by there is a new subchondral cyst formation and sclerosis of the bone below the articular cartilage, followed by the process of repair. There is repair process started, leading to the formation of the marginal osteophytes in the joints, which will try to maintain the stability of the joint. So this is a chronic problem affecting mostly the elderly people, but may also affect people in a younger age group due to a disease in a joint. How the patient presents? Patient usually presents with pain. Pain is insidious in onset. It is a chronic pain, and sometimes pain in one joint may get referred to the another joint. For example, osteoarthritis of the hip. The pain in the hip, osteoarthritis, may be felt in the knee. So pain is the most common feature. There may be stiffness, there may be a loss of function, movement of the joint is restricted, and deformity. Deformity may appear in a joint due to the destruction of the articular cartilage. Now the patient comes to us, then how we will go for the management? We will investigate the patient, we will do the x-rays. What x-ray will show? X-ray will show there is narrowing of the joint space, there is subchondral sclerosis, there is subchondral cyst formation, and there is marginal osteophytes. So all these changes can be seen in x-ray. Rarely we can go for CT scan and we can go for MRI. And how we will manage? These patients will be managed conservatively mostly. We will first give them analgesic to get rid of the pain. Then we will give them some hot fomentation or cold fomentation, and we will advise them some exercise to make the muscles strong, make them stronger, so that can stabilize the joint. So and joint can be offloaded. Again, if the disease in advanced stages, for example in osteoarthritis of the knee, then we have another options like surgical options. In surgical options we can go for corrective osteotomy, for example high tibial osteotomy, and lastly we have an option of hip replacement, knee replacement in case of osteoarthritis. So the osteoarthritis is basically an asymmetric involvement of the various joints and involves various joints of the body. So management depends upon the type of the joint and the patient's demand from the joints. So we have various options of treatment depending upon the severity of the disease. Thank you.